station for bus shuttles to the stadium. Alright, here we are at Dodger Stadium. We're about under an hour from start. So we're gonna check this guy in, put my jacket in there, and then yeah, use the porta potty, warm up, and get ready to go. Gear check, porta potty done. Let's get into the start line and kind of start warming up. So let's warm up. Pick a juice shot to start. Here we go! We're just leaving Dodger Stadium. We're now downtown LA. Taking a little break on this hill. One of my favorite parts. awesome to see friends on the route. All right, I've had enough of the podcast. Time to switch up the playlist. Taking it easy on the hills. What's your name? Bridget. Bridget. Yeah. Hey.
Nice to meet you. Good luck.
Good to meet you. You too.
Reserved for you. Thank you very much.
All right, 6 miles to go. 10K at this point. At turnaround point, heading to the finish. My pace has definitely gone a bit slower because of all the hills these last 6 miles, but that's all right. We're so close to the finish. that my friends completes the 2024 Los Angeles Marathon. It was an amazing day to see all the runners out there participating. I believe there's about 20,000 of us who participated this year, which is awesome. And seeing everyone out there on the route supporting us, cheering us on, pushing us to keep going and just making it a fun time overall. And, for all of us who participated and finished, it's a great achievement. So be proud of that and be sure to treat yourself to something good because you deserve it, because running a marathon is no easy task. And of course, we lucked out on the weather. For most of it was like upper 60s for it and lower 70s. So it was perfect. The sun was out with some breeze along the way. So I couldn't have asked for a better day to run out there with so many people. I was doing pretty good to 3/4 of the way of the race. And then once we hit Century City to Brentwood and back, those rolling hills were pretty brutal. Last time I did the LA Marathon, we still finished in Santa Monica. So this was my first time finishing on the new route. So those rolling hills, really did put a number on many of us. But you know what? We persevered, walking when we needed to, and then, kicking it back up all the way to that finish line. And I did just get my race results. So my official finishing time is 5 hours, 45 minutes, and 9 seconds with a pace of 13:10. So it's not too bad. So I'm really happy about that. Of course, I am wearing my finisher shirt here. It was green for St. Paddy's Day. But of course, I know what you all are here for as well is the bling. So the first off is the LA double play, which means I finished the 5K the day before and the marathon. So it was a double play weekend. So here's that medal. And the main event, the Los Angeles Marathon medal. So here it is. And now for our final update for our charity fundraiser for City of Hope. And I cannot be any more happy and excited and overwhelmed with joy of having surpassed our goal. So I am happy to say that our grand total for this fundraiser is $2,160. I can't say this enough, but thank you to all of you who have donated, who have, supported me through all of this and spreading the word for my fundraiser. It's been an amazing journey and I can't thank you enough. And your donations are going to an amazing cause, and it's literally left me speechless. So thank you so much. I'm sad to see this journey end, but you know what? It was worth taking it. So having you guys along for the ride, it was worth it. And lastly, before we end this vlog, I just want to thank you, all of you, for watching, keeping me accountable in my training, and coming back each week. Your support truly does mean a lot to me, and I wouldn't necessarily be doing this without you all. So thank you so much, and I am looking forward to bringing you more adventures. It is something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy running. I enjoy being out there, having adventures, traveling and whatnot. So please do come back. I have more adventures and more races coming up. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy my adventures that we have here or felt inspired for your own running journey, please do subscribe and maybe like the video, as it does help reach others as well, hopefully to be inspired for their own journey. And with that, we will end this marathon journey here. Thank you so much again. I hope you're all doing well, and for all of you who participated, congratulations, you did it. You are now marathoners if it was your first time. If it was your, second or 10th or however many times, congratulations. You all are amazing. So be sure to rest up and, have a little fun and enjoy it. Thank you so much again. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I will see you all next time. Take care.